Hey there, friends. I've got a project I'm going to start today, and I'm going to let you guys be part of it from start to finish and make it a little series. I have got a power supply that I want to jump a green and a black wire with a paperclip, but I also want to have a protective covering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Tinkercad to 3D print a cap that will go over all of the pins, but will also house my paperclip that'll jump it so the power comes on when I want to. So the first thing I've determined is that the box is approximately 41.7 millimeters, so I'm going to put 42, and it's almost 8. So I'm going to put that for my measurement. And the pins have 9 millimeters approximately of travel. So that's how far it is sticking up. The little pins are approximately 3.3 millimeters across. And these are the square blocks, not the metal inside the square blocks. And those will have to be holes. And let's see if they will line up so I can put 2 of them in here. And I just did some looking. I'm going to adjust this. It's more of 7.4. And I want to align these with the very ends. So I'm going to grab just those 2. And I'm going to hit a line. And I want it to be top left corner. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to hold down Shift and select it. And I'm going to align it for bottom left corner. And then let's set our grid for 0.1. Let's shrink these down to that 9 millimeters because that's how far I want these to sink in. And we'll use these as a template to cut out. So I'm going to hold Shift. I'm going to hide this for a moment. I'm going to do Control D. And I want to move them over so they're even. And then I'm going to go 1 millimeter away. And then I'm going to just print a test version to see if it works. So this is going to be a guess and check project. Let's bring everything back. Let's select this guy and do Control D. We'll move him out and we'll make this one larger. Let's go 8 millimeters. We'll just move it because I don't really care. I'm just testing to see if my theory works, but I do want to make it shorter because why print the entire project when I can just test. Let's clear that out. Let's group my little pins and let's do a print test and see how this works out. Now we can do a line. So that's all lined up too. So this is how I start a project like this. Let's see what kind of smart choices I made. And let's see what kind of goofy choices I made as well. That's the most amazing thing is how quickly you can go from your screen to having something to check out and see if it works. Alright, let's go do a test. Let's see if we measured correctly. And that would be no. So that's the cool thing, is that you can adjust and try again. And it only takes a few minutes to give it a shot. Let's see what happens in the next video.